Right now, we want to calculate the inflation rate. Okay, well, in this case, we're going to be comparing each year with its previous year to see if there's been an increase in prices or there's been a decrease. All right. So we're going to use this formula: the CPI of the current year minus the CPI of the previous year over the CPI of the previous year times 100. Right. So let's find the inflation rate for the year 2001. Right. So we're going to say the CPI of this year, 2001, so that's 120, right? Minus the CPI of the previous year, that's 100, right? Okay, and then we'll divide that by 100. So let me just use the board to illustrate it better. And I'll be putting the answers in there. In the meantime, while it's loading, so we'll say 120 minus 100, okay, divided by 100, okay, divided by 100 times 100, right? 120 minus 100, that's 20. 20 divided by 100, that's 0.2. 0.2 times 100, that gives us 20%. Okay, so there's been a 20% increment in prices from 2000 to 2001. Okay, we go to the next one. Right, for the year 2002, we're going to say 180 minus 120, right? Divided by 120 times 100, right? So 180 divided by minus 120, that's going to give us 180 minus 120, that gives us 60. 60 divided by 120, that's 0.5. 0.5 times 100, that's 50. So there's been a 50% price increment. And so 160. Yeah. All right. So then go to the year 2003. Okay. So we're going to say 220 minus 180 and divided by 180 times 100. Okay, so 220 minus 180, that's 40, right? 40 divided by 180, that's 0.2222. The 2 is recurring, times 100. I'm going to get 22.22%. We'll just round it off as 22%. So there's been a 22% price increment. All right. We go to the year 2004. Right. We're going to say 240 minus 220 divided by 220 times 100. Okay. So 240 minus 220, that's 20. 20 divided by 220, that's 0.0909 times 100. I'm going to get 9.09%. So I'm going to say 9.09%. Okay. Then now we're going to the year 2005, comparing it with the year 2004. I'm going to say 60 minus 240 and divided by 240 times 100. 60 minus 240, that's negative 180. Negative 180 divided by 240, that's negative 0.75 times 100. We get negative 75%. All right, so we have a decrease. Okay, so negative 75%. Okay, it's showing that there is a decrease. So that's how we calculate the inflation rate.